Cordell from Spence Properties, and I'm here with Jeff Gainey of Hard NWFL, Florida. And today I've come in here to ask him about his new business that is an entertainment industry business, and I'm going to let him tell you what it is.
We are a full family entertainment company, and we like to invite all you guys to come enjoy our mechanical bull, our shuffleboard, our pool table, our air hockey, our skee ball, and we're the only one that has bounce houses for adults and for kids. So come and have some fun.
So we were talking to you a little bit before we started the interview, and you were talking to us about the types of games that we have here and how they're geared towards people who they have a disability or elderly folks. Tell me a little bit more about that.
All of our games are focused on eye and hand coordination and motor skills, and everyone loves to have fun. Even our mechanical bull is designed for the most safety. We got the most safety mat that's in the industry, and our bull is the most safe bull that is in the industry, so it's a lot of fun.
That's awesome. And you also mentioned something about doing a fundraiser right now for the Chamber of Commerce.
Yes, we are. March the 15th is going to be a fundraiser. The president of the Chamber of Commerce agreed to ride our mechanical bull, but there's going to be a little twist. She doesn't know it yet, but she has to do a 8-second. If there's enough of money is raised, she will be doing an 8-second competition.
8 seconds.
That is wide open.
Oh, that's going to be so awesome.
That is going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to see her on that bull.
On the bull. That's going to be fun to watch. You also mentioned that you do fundraisers for like the local high schools, and anybody can participate?
Yes, all the high school students that plays all sports will be that rides it will receive $1 from each ride to the team, whatever team the sports team they play.
So do they just come to you and sign up for this?
Nope, they just let us know what team they're on, and we keep a list in the office, and when we get enough money raised up, then we present it to the school.
That's fantastic. What a great way to give back to the
We are also members of the Quan's Club. We also have games. We have karaoke 6 days a week on the bull. We have ball dart, football, pin the tail, and a lot of other games on the bull. That is fun.
coming up, I think, on your birthday?
Yes, and wedding anniversary, 22nd.
Woo! 22nd wedding anniversary, congratulations.
Yeah.
What day is that again?
15th of this month.
So March 15th.
At 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Be here and come check out Ride Hard NWFL, Florida, and come check out the mechanical bull, all of the fun motor skills games that anybody can play from 5 to 85. Anybody can come out and have a great time.
A lot of fun.
Exactly. So come on out here at Crestview. This is a great place to bring the family. Come out at noon for the ribbon cutting on March 15th.
Absolutely. And have cake and snacks.
Yes, they always have cake. I'm Jody Cordell from Spence Properties, and I'm joined over
Jeff
here.
Gainey
Jeff Gainey
Hard
from Ride Hard
NWFL.
Over here we have Tanya Drain. We're from Spence Properties, and just remember, it's my mission to help you live where you love and love where you live.